Everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about index selector. So index selector basically works with an array. So let's see how it works. To understand about index selector, I have taken this array as an example. So we will use this array as a payload. You can see I have created this nested array. So we have an array inside another array. Okay, so what so to use the index selector, what we need to do, we just need to write these square brackets, and then we just need to pass the index inside this square bracket. So as we know that index of array start from 0, so if I write 0, then I will be able to access first element, that is 11. So likewise, if I write 1, then I will be able to access second element. As we know, like the third element of array is at second index. So if I write 2, then I got this another, or I can say nested array. So now the question is how we can access the element of this nested array, right? If we write it like this, then we are getting the complete array, but we want to access the element of this nested array. Then how we can access the element of this nested array? What you need to do, you just need to add one more pair of square brackets, and inside this second square bracket I just need to pass the index. So as you can see, this inside this nested array we have three elements. So if I write here 0, then I will get the first element of this index array. So at second, what we are getting initially, if I write like this, then I'm getting the a third element of outer array, right? Or I can say main array. But if I write like this, then I'm getting the first element of nested array. So that is 33. If I change it to 1, then I will be able to access the second element of this nested array. So that's how we can access the nested array using index selector. There is one more thing, we can access the element uh, on the basis of negative indexes. So in DataWeave, negative index start from -1, not from -0. There is nothing like -0. So we to access the element from backward direction, we can use the negative indexes in DataWeave. So if I write -1, then I will get the last element. So the last element is 44. If I write -2, then I will get this nested array. So likewise, we can access the element by using negative indexes as well. So what we have seen so far, like we have seen that index of the array starts from 0, and we can have the nested arrays, and how we can access nested arrays, and how we can access the array elements using negative index. So that's it from that, and that's it from this video. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.